Hey beautiful people, Madam Sophy here to do a review on this lovely sensational wig. Her name is called Talia 18 inch and she's from the Instant Fashion Wig collection. I have her in the color number 1B and it says on the stock card that she's heat safe up from 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and she has 100% premium fiber. According to this card, it does say that this way you could style it in 60 seconds, and definitely that is not a lie. All I did was pop her on and take my handy dandy brush and just run it through the wig and boom, there you go. So definitely Sensational did not lie when they said that it is a wig that you could style within 60 seconds. Okay, in addition to this 1B color, this wig also comes in the color number 1B obviously, I believe 2, 4, and there's also the colors 99J, 613, BG, DR23, sorry, DR27, DR30, DR613, and DRBG. In addition to that, on the stock card, you do get information on how to maintain this wig. And I'm really liking the way she looks. She definitely kind of, she reminded me a little of Nicki Minaj when she first came out and she started wearing those wigs with the bangs. So that's what she reminds me of. And I'm really liking the way she looks. Those of you who like wearing wigs that have this really cute bang, this might be a lovely unit for you. Another thing I really like about this wig is you could pop her on and just head out the door. Pop her on, run a brush through her real quick and just head out the door. You do not have to worry about fixing your edges or lining your edges with a pot. You don't have to worry about that. All you do is pop her on, brush her out, and head out the door, and you're good, honey. So this is how she's looking. She does shed, she does tangle. So if you're wearing her, in order to get a longer way out of her, I would suggest having a little brush with you if you're wearing her. Okay, so if you have a brush next to you, you could always brush those tangles out real quick before they make bigger tangles, if you know what I'm saying. So if you're wearing her, definitely I would suggest you using a brush or having a brush nearby in order to brush those tangles off as they come along. But she's definitely a really cute wig for those of you who don't like wearing the lace front wig. She has 3 combs. She has 2 combs in the front and she also has a comb in the back. She does have an adjustable strap. Is this wig big head friendly? I would say yes, this wig is big head friendly. Currently I'm wearing her on the closest adjustment you could think of, and it's not tight on my head. So I would suggest that yes, she is big head friendly. Is she very full? I wouldn't say that she's a wig that's very full, but it is natural looking enough. All right, so let me just do a 360 of Miss Talia 18 inch. This is how she looks from the front, and I'm going to pull some hair out. This is how Miss Talia looks from the front. She is 18 inches long and she ends right here. She's 18 inches long and she ends right here. And I'm 5 feet 3 inches tall. Okay, so this is how she looks from the front. This is how she looks from the right. This is how she looks from the left. And this is how she looks from the back. Okay, if you're really liking the bang style, I'll tell you, go pick this one up. She's very affordable. I believe I purchased her off Sam's Beauty or go to nybeauty.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description box if you're interested in purchasing her, but she's definitely a wig that you could style in at least 60 seconds. Okay, so is she Sophy approved? Yes, she's definitely Sophy approved. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys really liked this review, and see you next time. Have a wonderful day.